My goal with this course is to help. Nothing would please me more than to hear that you got one over the bankers of Wall Street and made a bundle of money. However, financial trading is highly risky, mistakes do occur, and financial markets do not stay the same. Please be aware that you could lose all or even more of your initial investment. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing mentioned here is to be regarded as financial advice. Simulated performance results have inherent limitations and do not constitute actual trading. Therefore, I ask you to read the following disclaimer in full before proceeding. Access to this course and other associated materials or services assumes that you agree to all of the information described herein.